Hello everyone, so welcome back to another video. In our last video of today on 6th December 2024. As you know, this is the last video mean third video, oh sorry, last video mean 10th video of today. As you know, this is our new adventure story, so just imagine this, learn from this, let's start and make fun together, okay? So just imagine this, remember that. Imagine waking up in a $1 billion mansion. $1 billion, guys. It's not a million, it's a billion. And how many zeros in 1 billion? Must write in the comments, okay? $1 billion mansion, 24 hours, 24 hours of pure luxury sounds like a dream, right? Well, that is exactly what I experienced. What is this? What I experienced in MrBeast's latest challenge. From the moment I stepped inside, it felt like I was in a different world. Marble floors, gold plated fixtures, and rooms that could fit my entire house multiple times over. But here is the twist: living in such opulence made me realize that luxury does not equate to happiness. What is mean of equate? What you know? If you don't know, so must paste your question mark in the comments. Then I will tell you. Equate to happiness. Sure, I had access to gourmet meals and a personal cinema, but as the hours ticked by, I found myself missing the simple things like meaningful conversations and shared laughter with friends. Each room had its own theme: an indoor pool, a game room that would make any gamer envious. Gamer envious? What is meaning of envious? What you know? If you don't know, so must tell me in the comments. Then I will tell you. Envious. And even a petting zoo, okay? It was also surreal. What is meaning of surreal? Must write in the comments. But amidst all this extravagance, I learned a crucial lesson. True wealth is measured not by material possessions, but by the connections we foster and the experiences we share. As the challenge came to an end, I reflected on what it really means to live well. It's about balance. Yes, enjoy the finer things in life is great, but let's not forget the joy found in everyday moments. So if you ever find yourself in a mansion like this, remember, it's not just about living large, it's about living meaningfully. That is the real luxury. Join me as we explore what it means to thrive, not just to survive in this world of excess. And who knows, maybe we can bring a little of that extravagance back into our everyday lives without losing sight of what truly matters. Okay, bye for now. Subscribe my channel for more.